The Zimbabwe National Road Administration (ZINARA) has revised toll fees upwards with effect from 27 March 2024. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Last month prices were as follows: light motor vehicle $3, minibuses $5, heavy vehicles $8, haulage trucks $15, and residential discount $60. Yesterday's ZINARA prices were revised as follows: light motor vehicle $5, minibuses $8, heavy vehicles $10, and haulage trucks $15. The revision has been done in terms of Statutory Instrument 32 of 2021. Meanwhile, ZINARA says it has disbursed at least 43.8 billion to road authorities under the Emergency Road Rehabilitation Program 2 in 2022, an increase of 21% from the prior year in inflation adjustment terms. This is today's news about toll gate fees increase. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.